hi, Judy.
Hi, Judy. Sorry.
It's cute when you do that. Where are we?
Cataldo or
Cataldo. I don't know the name of this place. It's really.
I
don't know. What a neat place. Oh, look at the fog over the water. Let me get down here. So this isn't far from where we're parked for the night. I'm going to get down here and show you the fog over the water if I don't fall and bust my buns. I don't know if you can see. See that kind of haze right there? It's like a fog. Panning slowly. Beautiful sky. Is that the fly fisherman dude?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with you. Pull me up. Don't slip and fall, because I'll move out of the way.
No, you're supposed to be something to
No.
right to that way.
So we're camped, parked right there. Right there. Well, that's how far it is to the water from our camp spot.
Let me get that mist from the distance.
Oh wow, you could have a little campfire here. That's pretty cool. Look at the little flowers. Cute. Wow. That is pretty. See the mist? That came in last night too. See that truck going across the bridge? Wow. What a sunset, huh?